Hi you guys, this is a quick tutorial how to set up your photography page. So this is your normal home Facebook page. I hope everybody has a Facebook page. When you go to create, sorry if my computer is a bit slow, I hope it isn't. You press page and you go for business, get started. Page name, I recommend just putting your name as I have, Anya Chandra Photography. So here I'm gonna put Anna Marie Photography, and you look for category, so you just add photographer. And press continue. This is just to demonstrate you guys how is it gonna be done. Don't overthink your name. I do recommend just putting either your first name or Anna Marie Photographer, Photography, or Photography by Anna Marie, or anything like that. What is this? Other profile picture, how people find you. Upload, yes, that is weird because that's not where we kind of start with, but anyway, let's say you want to add a photo. This is what I have opened. This isn't my page, but let's pretend that this is me. So I'm gonna choose a picture. I can't find her face. Where's her face? Where's her face? I think. Okay. Let's see this one, for example. So obviously, profile picture is very important. Whether this is only the cover photo. This is starting from kind of back end a little bit. Cover photo, it's probably gonna be a photo of the photography style that you're actually doing, whether it's a newborn, maternity, or a newborn, maternity, wedding, nature, anything like that, guys. It looks like, I'm not sure why this is, okay, here it's added in the background, but obviously it looks like you can obviously, let's say I want this one, so you can save this for now. It's a very quick tutorial just to get you started, guys. There's more to it because you can create a banner here in Canva. It's a free software that I really recommend, and you can obviously add more to it, more your personality, say what's that all about, but I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up so it's all ready to go. So now you've got more options here. I would probably start from adding a button. You can choose from make a booking with you, contact you, learn more about business, shop with you, which is probably not us, download app page. I think there's an option for adding a website, but I do recommend saying contact you, send a message or call now, WhatsApp, email, sign up. I'll just click send a message, so people just can press this, and yes, your bottom to send people to, I probably would send them to Messenger, and press finish. So once they press this, it takes them to Messenger, and that's where you can kind of text backwards and forwards if somebody's got any questions. So that's one thing. Then I would here obviously you can schedule posts, do live videos, which probably you guys were very scared of at the beginning. You can choose a photo here as in your normal kind of and write something like some copy here. I'm not gonna write it now because it's a tutorial on how to start your first photography page. Okay. Here you can write your username. I put mine Anya. Oh, sorry, Anya Chandra Photography. So let's say that will be Mary. You can just leave it as that. It's unavailable. Well, you just have to find what's available for you, and that will be your username here. And what else I want you to know? I think this is the basic. Here people can start putting reviews. Here you can add your videos, obviously photos. This information is quite important, and I'm gonna get to it with you on the training. And the only thing is at the moment you can start adding your details, such your phone number here. I think obviously if you have a website, you can add your website. Email is super important at the moment. If you don't have an email, like I have anya@anyachandra.co.uk. You can put your own email, personal email at the moment. And I think there's an option for your address, which I do recommend putting it on. Every Facebook looks slightly different. Here you can create your groups, which I recommend as well, but that will be later on. So that's how your photography business page looks like. You can go back to a home button here. Why isn't it coming back? Sorry. Oh, no, we don't want that. We don't want this. We don't want this. I don't know how to go back to it. Sorry. Oh, here. So this is your post. So that's kind of your home page and how you see it. That's all, guys. It's not hard. It's great because it's you don't need a website. You can start straight from there. You're actually going to be much more visible than if you have a website on Google page number 20. And I hope you're super excited. It's super easy. And well, post your finished draft of your photography business page in my group, and I'll be really happy to have a look at them. Thanks, guys.